4.2, explain why it is important for a company to include the non-executive as well as the executive directors on the board of directors. Explain why it is important to include the non-executive as well as the executive directors on the board. So this question, if you just look at it generally, if a company has got only the executive directors, it means the opinions that they will be getting on the management of the company will be coming from one perspective, from a narrow view of the executive directors. But if you also include the non-executive as well, people who are coming from outside with the necessary expertise or with the necessary skills required by the company to improve, they may add more value to the company. So more opinions. So we are saying, the question is asking, why is it important for a company to include the non-executive as well as the executive director? We are saying that if we have the non-executive and the executive, more opinion from different views may be obtained, and thus may result to the company being improved if we are having different views. And remember, the non-executive may also act as watchdogs. This is an accounting concept, watchdogs. Remember, even the external auditors, they serve as watchdogs to the directors. They are there to prepare to protect the rights of the shareholders. Even the non-executive directors may also act as watchdogs to the executive directors. And therefore the executive directors may not do as they please, because they know that there is also another sector of the directors, which is the non-executive directors, who will be there in the meeting, who will make them to account if there is anything that is going wrong with business. So we are therefore saying that it is to the advantage of the company when the company has got the non-executive and also the executive. Remember, the non-executive directors, even though they are not working on permanent basis in the company, but the people who are selected to serve as the non-executive are the people in most cases who are highly qualified and who have got the necessary experience required by the company to guide when decisions are taken. So considering that the executive directors are working on permanent basis in the company, they may be having that narrow view of the company, and therefore bringing on board some people from outside will therefore increase opinions that will be brought into the company, and thus the company will improve. Right. And another thing that we may also consider when it comes to the non-executive are important. And remember, the non-executive may not be as expensive as the executives, because the non-executives are not working on permanent basis in the company. So they only come there to sponsor their expertise and then they leave. So it is a better idea that they are those people who are employed as non-executive so that they are able to assist the company. And then 4.3,